Installation video of electronic rearview mirror. This is a USB cable. This is a left and right view lens. Insert the USB cable into the USB port of the box. This is the installation of reverse and front connectors. This is the right view connector. This is the left view connector. Insert USB cable. Now go fix the camera. Fix the camera at a height of 60 to 80 centimeters from the ground. Tear off the adhesive backing. Find a suitable angle to paste the camera. Please note, pass under this metal component. Thread the connector out of the black door shaft. Go under the passenger glove box. Find two fixing screws. The one on the right. The one on the left. Then screw the screw. Pull down the cover plate to see the hole. That leads directly to the center console. Thread the right view camera through the hole onto the passenger seat cover. Push the wire inside the center console on one side and pull the wire outside the hole on the other side. Then pull out the entire line. Place the right view connector wire on the passenger seat cover plate. Open the door seal. Thread the wire through the door seal strip. Fix the cable with tape. Connect the camera. Hide the connection inside the door seal strip. Install the passenger seat cover plate. So, the line is hidden. This is the left view camera. Fix the camera in the appropriate position. Thread out from underneath this metal piece. Keep the line above the black door shaft. Go to the cover position under the steering wheel. Find two screws. Then screw the screw. Pull down the cover plate. Extend the left view connector through the left wall. Pull in the center console to the driver's cover plate. Push the wire inside while pulling the wire outside. Pull out the entire wire. Open the door seal. Tighten the door sealing strip tightly. Fix the cable with tape. Connect the camera. Insert the camera connection into the inner side of the door seal. Install cover plate. So, the camera cable is hidden. Precautions for pasting left and right view cameras. 1. Stick the tape along the edge of the camera. Press the adhesive tape tightly with your hand. 2. Use tape to stick the pillar side cable. Press the adhesive tape tightly with your hand. 3. Use tape to secure the cables here. Conduct door opening and closing test.